If he talk, he go do am. Not the man wey dey talk wey don dey do am. If he talk, he go do am. Answer we dey do.
Traders at Oba Market have expressed appreciation to the Governor of Edo State, Governor Monday Okpebholo, over the ongoing rebuilding of the market. The atmosphere at Oba Market was filled with excitement as traders commended Governor Monday Okpebholo for what they described as a timely intervention to improve their trading environment. The engineers further provided statistics on the number of shops in the building.
150 we have downstairs, and we have 224 3 by 3 meter, and we have about 9 shops 6 by 6 meter at this phase, which is phase 1/3 of the whole building, not other one, just at this one.
This phase is 1/3.
Yes, this phase we have 224 3 by 3 meter, and we have 9 6 by 6 meter upstairs, block of shops, and downstairs we have about 350 or 360 something like that, which is dwarf wall shops. 2 by 3 meter.
So you have a terminal section.
Yes, after this one. After, this section, this is phase 1. This is 1/3 of the whole phase 1. This is one of. So once we're at my said that after 31st of March, we are going to complete this one. So we are going to shift to the other side.
They noted that the rebuilding project has brought renewed hope, adding that the modern structures will not only enhance safety but also boost commercial activities in the area. Others offered prayers for the governor and pledged their continued support for his administration, expressing confidence that the project would positively impact thousands of families who depend on the market for their livelihood.
Okpebholo Baba Wese, Asalaba can bless you well. I want me to ya boy ekina ni mafo. Ni maleke na pa you workire. Maleke na pa you go. Mama la kene ruda boy. Can I ba appreciate e kakapa. So iba ita mu na nuwe wa la papa. Nuwe gie we ni na me no dera na ga ba pupo. Obieria. So nu gie to la ni mama wa appreciate e. Mama baba di this.
We like what Okpebholo is doing. We appreciate. We thank him so much. He will live long and eat the fruit of his labor. He can never lack. We appreciate. We thank him so much.
Oh, it's a wonder. Now I'm
What is going on here? Renovation is even more difficult than a new project. From what we have seen in Ekpoma, Irua, and Jetu, we have seen that renovation is even more harder. But these guys are even delivering more faster. Instead of June, they are delivering in March 31st. We have gone around and you can see what is happening here. The governor is doing his best to make sure that market women are taken care of. Everybody in the society is taken care of. I told you guys that Edo has become a construction site. You see bulldozers, you see caterpillars, you see payloaders, you see cranes, you see men are working everywhere. People are buying wood, iron rods, cement, laterite. The government is putting money into the pocket of the people. The people are hardworking, the economy is boosted, and everybody is happy. Edo is a construction site. I told you guys. Thank you so very much for supporting the government. Mr. Governor, what about you? God bless you.
Angela Ileguma reporting for PFM Global News.